Exploring memory lane. Cast one's mind back. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in the English language: cast one's mind back. This expression might sound a bit theatrical, but it's actually a fascinating and useful way to talk about remembering or recalling past events. Stick around as we unlock its meanings, uses, and examples to enhance your English language skills. The phrase, cast one's mind back, is a figurative expression used to describe the action of trying to remember something from the past. When you cast your mind back, you're essentially taking a deep dive into your memory to retrieve specific information, experiences, or feelings that occurred at an earlier time. Key components. Cast. In this context, cast is used metaphorically to mean send or throw. It suggests an effort of sending one's thoughts into the past. Mind refers to one's consciousness or memory where thoughts and memories reside. Back indicates the direction of the action, which is to the past, not the present or future. This phrase is commonly used in both spoken and written English, often in more formal or reflective contexts. It's a way to invite oneself or others to think about the past for a specific reason, such as sharing memories, making comparisons, or drawing lessons from previous experiences. Examples. 1. Reflective thought. Let me cast my mind back to my childhood days and tell you a story. 2. Instructions. To answer that question, you'll need to cast your mind back to what we learned last week. 3. Storytelling. As I cast my mind back to the early 2000s, a lot of fond memories come to mind. Now that you understand what it means to cast one's mind back, it's time to put it into practice. Try to use this phrase in your daily conversations or writing. For instance, you could start a journal entry with, "Today, I cast my mind back to a particularly happy moment in my life." This not only helps improve your language skills but also enriches your storytelling abilities. Cast one's mind back is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway to personal histories and shared experiences. We hope this exploration has made you more comfortable with using it in your own English communications. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express your thoughts and feelings. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we can't wait to see how you cast your mind back in your future English adventures.